Hey friends, happy Friday. So today is Friday. I am sorry y'all, I went and got me some Chick-fil-A, but I am on my way to work, aka the shop. A lie and say that ain't never happened to y'all. That fry was too good and it was too hot. But yeah, I'm on my way to the shop. I'm always in the car, y'all already know that. But I had a 9 o'clock, but she canceled. So I have a 12:30, a 3:30, and a 6 o'clock. So I'm on my way to the salon now. I have a virtual consult with an interested client for a wig at 12. So I'm just trying to eat. It's 11:18 now. I'm just trying to eat so by the time I get in the salon, I can get ready for my client, get ready for my 12 o'clock virtual client, because that should only take like 10 minutes. Get ready for her and get ready for my 12:30 appointment. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, when I get off work today, I'm gonna tackle my head. I was supposed to do that the other day. I really should have did it last night, but I was so tired last night when I got off because my client, I was doing her hair, that took longer than normal. Yeah, so that's how I was going on. Let me see, am I doing anything special? I'm not really doing anything special this weekend. I kind of want to relax. Yeah, kind of want to relax. I'm about to go to the bank and deposit this money from these appointments, and I'll check back in later because we're getting to the paper, period. Don't even ask me why I got this hat on in the house. We ain't gonna talk about it. But I just finished cooking dinner. I made some white chicken chili. I guess that's what you call it. That's the recipe that I saw online, but it's definitely giving me chicken enchilada soup. But anyway, I just finished cooking. I'm about to sit down and eat. I'm not really feeling well. My chest kind of hurt a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sit down, chill, and probably try to edit this vlog. So I could not sleep last night because I don't know why I couldn't sleep, but anyway, I could not sleep last night. So I made my intro for Vlogmas, and it's so cute. It's basically like a spinoff from my original intro. So if you're watching this video, you've already seen it. But let me know down in the comments if y'all like my intro. Like, it's definitely cute, right? Okay, but I'm finna show y'all what I just made. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I think I went a little too heavy on the chicken, but shit, it looks so freaking good, y'all. Like, and I was actually gonna do this in my crock pot. My mom bought me a crock pot But I didn't feel like waiting, and I still basically got the same great look. It may look, it definitely look a little throw up-y. I'm not gonna lie, but it's so good. I've already tasted it, so I'm about to sit down and, of course, you gotta add a little parsley. Like, did you really cook if you don't add the fancy green shit? But yeah, I'm about to eat this up. This presentation is not good, but it's really good, y'all. I promise. Let me know if y'all want the recipe. I'll share the recipe. I'm not stingy. Okay, y'all. So I just got home and I got a notification that my package from Shein had been delivered. So I will be giving y'all a clothing haul, possibly, for Vlogmas. I think I got some really nice ass pieces and I cannot wait to put them together. Y'all, let's get into these hold on, wait. Let's get into these brows, baby. Don't play with me. Okay, and then I don't know why my mouth feels so stiff, but probably because she just waxed and threaded my lip, and I normally don't get my lip threaded. Y'all, I know I keep touching my hair. I'm just so pleased with how healthy my hair is. But anyway, so I just got my eyebrows threaded and my lip waxed / threaded, because ain't nobody tell her to do that shit. But please. But she got the girl together. So now I'm about to head home, eat some lunch, and then get ready to start filming this content. Yeah, so I'm about to get home and start filming the content. I have completed, oh shoot, I forgot I gotta style my wig. I'm talking about filming content. But I think I'm a little bit ahead of schedule, so let me go home so I can look like something. Y'all know when I got these glasses on, I really mean business. But yeah, I'll check back in with y'all later. Hey y'all, so I just finished filming all the content I needed to film for today. So now I am about to pack some orders to ship out tomorrow before I head out to work. Well, actually it's Thursday because it's like midnight, but I just wanted to make sure I had all this stuff in order before I go into the shop tomorrow. I have an appointment for a sew-in tomorrow, so I just want to make sure I'm on time for my client. And the post office is on the way to the salon. So just watch me pack a few orders, and yeah, I'm gonna speed this clip up. I just left the salon. I had a morning appointment for a deluxe sew-in. That went really well. Her hair looks really, really good. So now I am about to go grab me something to eat, and I am about to go home and pack. I leave tomorrow. My flight is at 11. So I will be able to give y'all some form of good content. But yeah, I leave tomorrow. Oh shoot, I gotta go to the post office. What am I talking about? I'm about to stop by the post office to drop these packages off. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, pack. I leave tomorrow for DC, so I'm super excited about that, just to kind of change scenery get out, you know. Yesterday was super productive, so proud. So yeah, so the list of errands are to stop by the post office, pack, nail salon. I got my eyebrows done yesterday, y'all. I put my lashes on this morning. I don't know, I was feeling myself. And I normally don't, but it's something about, I don't know, I used to get my nails, I used to get my lashes done, but I kind of stopped. That's a bill that I don't need. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to check in. About to stop by none other than Chick-fil-A. Do I want Chick-fil-A or do I want Starbucks? Maybe I want both. How about that? But I'll check back in with y'all later. Love y'all. Child, I had to come back and get my mask, honey. I'm getting a little too excited out here in these streets, in these COVID streets. Especially since they talking about it's an Omarion variant. Child, ain't nobody trying to catch Omarion. Okay. Now we can get these packages. Ooh, yeah. This right here be so freaking clutch.